area. Well, new tonight, the state attorney general's office is taking steps to protect you from a Florida real estate company it calls, quote, corrupt and horrible. 10 of us State's Emerald Morrow has the state's latest effort to stop MV Realty, a company that has filed liens on thousands of homes.
We constantly get emails from people desperate for help in their fight against MV Realty, and now the Attorney General's office is taking new action to offer relief. We first showed you earlier this year how MV Realty offers homeowners cash up front if they sign a contract, giving the company exclusive rights to be their realtor if they ever decide to sell the home. But they don't realize that contract lasts 40 years, and according to the state, gets filed as a lien on public property records. If you break that contract, MV Realty sues, often for thousands of dollars. The state already has a huge lawsuit against the company, and now the Attorney General's office wants a judge to consider a temporary injunction that would force MV Realty to remove those liens from the public record. Homeowners that we've talked to over the last year say they hope something happens very soon.
Really, I want them shut down. I mean, to be honest with you, this is horrible that they can do this to people.
An attorney for MV Realty told us in May the company stands behind its business model.
We think this is an overreach by the Attorney General. And you look at the contract's clear. Everybody knew what they were getting into when they signed the contract.
MV Realty has already filed for bankruptcy, and at a hearing last week, a Hillsborough County judge said he will wait until the bankruptcy court makes its ruling before he decides on the temporary injunction to remove the liens. The bankruptcy hearing is set for February, and of course, we will keep you posted on what happens next. And don't forget, you can always reach out with tips. Emerald Morrow, 10 Investigates.
Real estate attorneys not connected to this case recommend always having a lawyer look over contracts before you sign. They say it's also a good idea to pay for an annual title search to make sure your property is clear and free from liens.